Hey guys, Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at Business Growth Guys, a Wizard of Ads partner. And today I want to share a couple of tools with you that'll help you create more content. First one of these is the Twitter marketing calendar. And so I'll put the link in the show notes so you can get there easily, but this is at business.twitter.com and it's in their resources and guides section and it's located under marketing calendar. So the cool thing about the marketing calendar is you can adjust the month you want to go to. So we go to next April, we go to the 1st, you obviously see it's April Fool's Day. Then Ramadan starts, then the Grammy Awards. So this helps you tie the content you're creating into the conversation that's going on that day. You're tying into the news cycle. You're tying into the popular hashtags of that day. So this is a great tool for figuring out how to add content and get out in front of yourself. I used to do this the hard manual way. This is my January 2014 calendar. And, January's resolutions month, February's Super Bowl, Valentine's. A lot of the software tools save you from having to do it manually on paper these days. Here are a couple of other fun sites to help you out creating your content. First one is called Fun Holidays. These are fun, random, and weird holidays. And you can see the Polar Day plunge is on here. Old Rock Day, Bean Day, Bird Day. So if you've seen posts like this on social media and wondered where people were getting their ideas for their content, Strawberry Ice Cream Day. It's sites like this. So there's Fun Holidays and then Best Days of the Year. So today's National Barbie Day. Who knew? These guys. And hey, if you can create something with Barbie in it, you can tie into the conversation that's taking place that day. So there's 3 sites for you. You've got the Twitter marketing calendar, you've got the Fun Holidays, and you've got the days of the year. And remember, today's National Meatball Day, so go get a meatball sub and get somebody to take a picture of you munching down on the meatball sub, or not, and figure out what the hashtags are and post it to your social media and tie into today's conversation. And thank you for watching.